everyone, Mike here with another tech tip video. Spring is in the air, which means it's the perfect time to freshen up not just your home, but your digital workspace as well. Just like a messy office can slow you down, a cluttered digital workspace can hurt productivity, security, and efficiency. So today, we're going to spring clean your tech with 6 simple lessons. Let's dive in. Step 1. Audit your software and applications. Did you know that 51% of software licenses go unused by businesses? That's wasted money and a potential security risk. Ask yourself, do we still use this software? Is there an updated version available? Are there duplicate tools that can be consolidated? Uninstall what you don't need and update the rest. Step 2. Organize your digital files. A cluttered computer is just as bad as a cluttered desk. Take time to delete unnecessary files, organize folders logically, use cloud storage for backups and easy access. Here's a pro tip: set up automated file management tools to keep things tidy year-round. Step 3. Review user accounts and permissions. Zombie accounts, inactive accounts with access to your system, are a major security risk. Review user access and remove old employee accounts. Limit permissions to essential access. This keeps your business secure and prevents unauthorized data exposure. Step 4. Evaluate your hardware. Outdated hardware equals slow performance and more downtime. Check, is your hardware still performing well? Are there frequent crashes or slowdowns? Is it time for an upgrade? An MSP, managed service provider, can help you assess your setup and recommend cost-effective upgrades. Step 5. Streamline communication channels. Too many messaging platforms equals missed messages and distractions. Consolidate your tools and set clear guidelines for when to use them. Email, formal communication. Messaging apps, quick updates. Project management tools, task tracking. This reduces clutter and confusion, helping your team stay focused. Step 6. Plan for future growth. Spring cleaning isn't just about the present, it's about preparing for the future. Consider upgrading outdated systems, expanding your team, outsourcing IT tasks for better efficiency. A little planning now means smoother operations later. Once your digital workspace is clean and optimized, make a habit of maintaining it. A little upkeep goes a long way in keeping your business efficient and secure.